welcome to a special Gladsley review.
Yes.
This is exciting, and this is something we've never done before. We are in London at the minute. We're going to be in London for a couple of days, so we're going to have a couple of vlogs in London for you guys. And today we're at the Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah, we've never been to this one before.
No.
We're hungry, obviously.
I'm extremely hungry. I'm extremely excited as well because I'm hoping it's going to be really nice inside, decorated, sound-wise, just everything really. Just really excited to see what it's got to offer.
Yeah, so let's check out and eat.
Here we go. Oof. Jesus. Oh my god. What is this? Is this?
Shop and cafe, yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I am absolutely in awe. Chris, oh my god. This is fantastic. Look at the chairs. Oh my gosh. I'm just overwhelmed.
Yeah.
I didn't expect all this.
I've only seen one briefly a long time ago in Manchester Trafford Centre. So
Was it like this though?
It was, but I only saw like a little glimpse, so this is a bit more of a bonus surprise, really.
This is just, I'm just blown away already. And I haven't even eaten yet.
Yeah. I'm liking that you're loving all the different animals and insects, but if that was in our house, you'd be wanting me to squash it.
I wouldn't say that.
Sure, mate. Soon be tea time.
You're getting attacked.
Yeah, I am actually, yeah. I think everyone's telling me it's tea time or something.
I've got to say something before we start.
Yeah.
Stampede! Jumanji.
Yeah.
Okay, go. What do you think of the place so far?
Yeah, it's really nice. Really nice.
It's beautiful.
I'm quite also impressed with just how much room there is to eat. There's another floor downstairs. There's more rooms further around.
Yeah.
But I'm liking all the animatronics. I'm liking the little mini thunderstorm. I'm loving the elephant kicking off in the background. Yeah, really impressed so far.
Yeah,
really
very beautiful. Even the stars as well.
Yeah, really nice.
The stars are apparently what it's exactly like in the Amazon rainforest as well.
I know, yeah. I'm sure this place had other restaurants in the UK. This one opened in 1997. But yeah, really impressed so far.
Cool.
So, tea has arrived. I've gone for the barbecue bacon cheeseburger.
That looks amazing.
Fries.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
And I've gone for the pasta. Monkey's going off on one.
Yep. You smelled my burger, that's what it is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm really hungry. I hope this is nice.
What's yours, sorry?
Pasta.
Pasta. Here we go. So this is the Portofino pasta. Faye, how are you finding it so far?
It's okay. It's not something I would normally go for. I mean, I like pasta, but this is quite out there for me. But I'm glad I'm trying, new things. I'm not just sticking to the same burgers that I always have. I'm trying something a little bit different, which is good. It's nice.
Very good.
Have you seen all the parrots? There's loads. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, it's cool that there's like quite a lot of room, isn't there, like you said?
There is, yeah, very spacious.
Yeah. How was it?
Oh, lovely.
Both cleaned our plates, so it must have been nice.
I'm getting there.
You're not giving up, are you?
No, I mean, I do have to say, thumbs up on the portion size for what you're paying for.
Yeah, they're quite large, aren't they?
Yeah, really happy with that.
Yeah. Love it! Thundering downstairs as well.
Oh, yeah.
Can't believe how much the space there is around here as
yeah,
well. This is just like on the way back up. Wow.
So if you didn't really want to join the dining experience, we've got a gift shop as well, which is quite nice actually. You pick up a souvenir.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? It's like every animal imaginable.
Pretty much.
She
Not
looks,
sure what she's eyeing off.
she's quite freaked out. It's great, isn't it? Alright, you don't need to mess with the toys. How long did it take you? 2 seconds before you started playing with stuff.
Check out the YouTube channel, subscribe.
You idiot. So that was absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
I did too. Yeah, I was really, really surprised actually. I was expecting it to be good, but I didn't expect it to be that good.
Yeah, it was fantastic. I mean, we've come out in the afternoon as well, so obviously it's quite dark as well. And it wasn't like overly busy, it wasn't packed, we wasn't waiting ages to be seated, which was really great service as well.
Yeah, definitely. So food was fantastic, really good portion size for the price that you pay for it. It's not super duper cheap, but it's definitely worth the money.
Yeah, definitely. We probably paid about just over £20 each.
Yeah.
Which I think obviously, like you said, was reasonable for the prices.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend it. I think it's really fun as well for the kids. Kids menu, adults menu, vegan choices on there if you don't want to eat any meat. Great drinks choices as well, everything for the kids, cocktails, non-cocktails, bit of everything really, so really
Very
impressed.
much so. Yeah, check out the website. You can pre-book your table as well, and obviously they'll have a downloadable menu on there. Very easy to download as well. But yeah, we had a great time. Really good service too, so big thumbs up from me.
Yeah, definitely.
But have you guys been to Rainforest Cafe? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks very much for watching, really. There'll be more reviews coming up soon once we've been here on London.
Yeah.
And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching as always.
Thanks very much.
See you soon.
Bye.